Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust blocked sender options in the mail on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down again, go to the mail, sorry, not again, but now you want to swipe down again, and then go to the blocked sender options in the threading section. So just find it right here, this option, click on that, and here you have some functions. So you can mark blocked sender, turn this feature on or off. I usually just leave it on because if you don't, you have no options of the blocked sender. So I just prefer to have it on, and you have two options. So leave an inbox, but you're not going to get notifications because the sender is blocked, or move to trash. So this is from the basic. You can select between those two. It's up to you. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!